Gemini 3 Pro is here, and needless to say, it's making waves in the AI world. In this video, we're going to be looking at a few things we could do with this very powerful model from Google. Now, jumping into artificialanalysis.ai, you can see humanity's last exam benchmark leaderboard, and Gemini 3 Pro preview is actually the leader, and by a huge margin. You can see the others, GPT-5 Codex, and Grok 4.9, all featuring on the same leaderboard. But the clear winner here is Gemini 3 Pro preview. So we are going to go straight into Google AI Studio and see what we can do with this model. Now we're on the back end of Google AI Studio. I'm simply going to go to build and make sure you have Gemini 3 Pro preview here. So in this text box, I'll just say create the Flappy Bird video game, and I'm going to click on build. It's going to go ahead and start building. It's gone ahead and done that. And this is what I see right here. It shows me these files which is created, metadata.json, index tags, types, all of these. But the issue is this: when I try to play this, you see the bird keeps falling. I click on restart. I try to play and it keeps falling. So I'm just going to write and see I'm unable to keep the bird in the air and the game keeps crashing. Now I've written a prompt, and this prompt is designed to make sure that Google AI Studio debugs the code to see what's the issue. Now let's try this again. If I click on restart and click on flap, you see the bird keeps falling immediately. So I'm telling it there's an issue with the game. The bird keeps falling immediately and doesn't stay in the air long enough. This has been happening ever since. And I should see I'm unable to play the game. Alright, so I'm going to click on send prompt, and it's going to go ahead and do these iterations. It's going to go through all these different files and folders, and it's going to debug the code to see what's the issue. Now it's telling me it's gone ahead and done the fixes. Since these are the issues with the game, the bird keeps falling immediately. Yeah, this has been happening. Alright, so that was the prompt I gave it. It says it did refactor the game loop, that's game canvas.tsx, improved input handling, and tune physics and constants. So these are the files it made changes to. I'm going to click now on that, and I still get the error. I'm going to prompt it one more time. Now it's giving me this, and if I should restart this game now, I think it now works pretty well. I'll do that. And you can see, let me replay again. So you can see the game works pretty well. Now the next thing I would like to build is actually a full-blown website. So I've come to Gemini and I've told it I want to create a simple website for a security company that deals with home and corporate security. I want the home page, services, contact page, design should be Brutalis, font family should be Sora, and colors should be dark red, black, and white. Generate the prompt I will use, and it gave me this prompt. So I'm simply going to go back to Gemini, and I want to choose, let's see, I'll go and make sure to choose Thinking Pro, and I want to paste that prompt there. You can choose the canvas, still using Gemini 3 Pro, and I'm going to click on generate. And this is what I get. You can see the reason I specify that it used the canvas is because it gives you a preview of the website on this side. So we can go ahead. Let's see if we want to preview this website. Normally it should be giving me a preview here. Let's see, select to ask. I'll leave that. Unfortunately, for some reason, I can't access the code. It says upgrade files in chat. Anyways, we can see the website from here. I'll just reload this page. So this is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see the code. This is the code here. And then this is a preview. You can share this website. You can share the link. So if I copy this link and I try to look at it on this page, you can see it's a full-blown website. This app was created by another person. I'll say continue. And this is the website. So this is it. This is the home page, capabilities, monitoring, panic room, drone patrol, and all that stuff. Engage. This is the home page. This is totally amazing. Now, what if I try to ask it to add some pictures? I will say, noticed there are no images on the website. Add some pictures, especially of security specialist. So I'm going to click and add that. So you can see it's gone ahead and added some high quality pictures. I think I should be able to see them on the front end right now using the link. I think they're not yet here, but we can preview them here. If I go to the capabilities page, I think this is an image it's added to the engage page. Nothing yet. And one very, very impressive thing you notice is that it added this logo. It created this logo. And then it has this hover effect, which when you hover over, it changes. And it's also impressive that it gives you different pages. Most AI builders, they create just a single page website, which when you click to elements, it takes you to that particular portion but on the same page. But for this one, you have different pages. So that is really, really amazing. The third thing I want to do is that we want to create an image using Nano Banana, but not just any kind of image. Nano Banana is Google's flagship image generation model, and it recently got a huge facelift with the Nano Banana Pro. So you can simply click on tools and create image, and that's choose image rather. And then I'm going to paste in my prompt, create a Pinterest pin titled the best men's summer shoes. It should have 3 columns, one for the picture of the shoes, one for the name and a brief description of the shoes, and the third for the price. You'll notice that if you've used Nano Banana before, it had a very big issue with creating text. Some of the text were just, awkwardly displayed, and others were just wrong. So I wanted to create a Pinterest pin. These are mostly called idea pins. I'm going to click on run. Gemini has gone ahead and given me this. You can see the best men's summer shoes 2025. This one, this is Astoflex Partnoflex Travel. So let me verify that that's true. So it's actually a thing. It's not hallucinating. It's not making that up. Astoflex Partnoflex. Here it is, Astoflex Partnoflex. And here's the same thing. We see here Astoflex Partnoflex. So you can use all of this, and I think it's sourcing all of this from Aldo, which is a very, very renowned shoe brand. This is Aldo. You can see a lot of their shoes here. They resemble these a lot. So this is how to use Gemini in the pro way, Gemini Pro, and make the most out of it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.